let's move on to our final act of the night. Our headliners, they're going to join me up here, and we are Seagull-related fish fights.
I'm Melissa.
Jimmy. Chris.
Bagley.
Tom.
John.
Natalie.
Brad.
And this is our special guest, Natalie, tonight. Yay! All we need to get started is the name of an object.
Just shout it out. Not all at once.
Yeah.
Synthesizer.
I heard radish and synthesizer. I think it was radish, but it was also synthesizer.
Yeah.
That's very hard to make sense.
We close in on a plastic radish.
It's like it's synthesized.
Yes.
Nice.
It looks incredibly lifelike.
It smells like a freshly picked radish smells. Exactly the same.
Exactly.
It's got
Which
little
smells
paint,
earthy.
Yeah.
It's got little painted on dirt speckles.
It's slightly imperfect in its shape, which makes it look all the more perfect.
The bulb part of the radish is a thicker, harder plastic, and then the leaves of the radish are a different kind of plastic that's more malleable.
The bulk of the bulk of the plastic, the bulb. Thank you. The plastic part of the bulb is a much weirder purple than it should be.
This radish cost $8,000 to synthesize.
It's the only one of its kind.
It's Hecho and Mexico.
It's lit from the side over here, and it casts a radish-shaped shadow.
But we can see a small laser grid around it to keep anyone from touching it.
Nobody dares eat this radish because it's so expensive. But if they did, it'd be the most delicious radish they had ever tasted.
All right, heist time, y'all. Woo!
Yeah!
Steal some tater tots.
Yes!
Oh, it's been like a week since I stole something.
Yes. Can I repel?
Yes.
Yeah!
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah!
But safety first. Who's your belayer? Got it.
All right.
Yeah.
Hey, Team Repel.
Nice.
Hey.
What do you guys want to do?
Can I kick something in? Door,
Nice.
window, anything?
Nice.
Good.
Nice.
All right.
Yeah.
Right.
Driver!
Yeah. That's perfect.
Yeah.
Good for you. Yeah.
Can I unnecessarily tumble through like an area around what we're stealing?
Well, I think you'll all like to see that first.
Oh,
Yeah.
so I'm
Yeah.
gonna kind of do like one of these.
Wow. That was really smooth.
Yeah.
Jay, you have been practicing.
Yeah.
I love stealing.
Hey, Gary, don't make it too late of a night, all right, buddy?
Oh, I just love frying. I can't get away from it.
We all do, Gary. We all do.
No, once these talks are done, then I might be able to call it a night.
All right. Well, I'm gonna trust you to lock up. All right?
You're the best boss.
I love you too, Gary.
All right, the Eagle has flown the coop. Execute phase 1.
All right, I'm gonna lower you down. But did you double check your repelling gear?
No, I did not. Why would you ask that?
How's phase 2 going, guys?
It's okay.
I can lower a rope, but no, pull it up. I am working on it. Up. You're okay. Hold on. Go. Hold on. I got it. I got you. All right. Okay, it's tight. Okay. Just yank twice and then get the hell out of there.
It's working.
Where are those guys?
Freaking out.
going on?
I was outside and I saw a cat, and it was casting a cat-shaped shadow.
Oh!
It was the weirdest thing. A shadow of itself.
That doesn't make any
It
sense.
doesn't make any sense.
Let's lock the windows. Windows.
Let me in! Let me in! Oh my God! Close the door! Close it! Close it!
Oh God! Oh God!
Look! Scratch me. I don't know how.
I don't want to die like this. I don't want to die like this.
Baby, baby, it's a while.
My ears! My ears are bleeding! Oh.
Hey, Jerry.
Yeah, Frank?
How many lives do you have?
I understand you're concerned about your friend. He doesn't have much time. The next time that moon comes out, he'll be a werecat.
I think it's already happening. I touched him on the back and he did this.
Does he not like to be near bodies of water?
That was kind of weird, Jerry. You just kind of touched my belly for a couple seconds.
What's going on, Jerry? What's all that sand in between your
Just
hands?
Through the open window, we see a cloud move and there's a full moon.
Oh, just some alternating columns on my stomach.
My family.
I've got lasagna, guys.
Jerry, Mondays.
Oh, I hate him! Hate him! Hate him! Hate Mondays!
Jerry,
Yeah.
I didn't want to do this. Cucumber.
Holy crap! Get rid of it! Get rid of the cucumber! Oh, I just have to hit it. Ah! Whoa, cucumber!
Jerry?
Jerry, tell me more about this cucumber.
You're scared of it! Scared of it, okay? No! No! Why does he have to do that? Well, he knows! He knows!
Jerry, look outside this door here, okay? I've just got my glass of water. I'm just going to put it over here. You know, maybe if you want to stick your hand or your foot in it. You could just go
So I
outside and
can do
stick
that?
your hand
Yeah,
or your foot inside of my glass. I was drinking that.
It's just
I'm
in front of
currently,
that cardboard box.
I'm currently drinking it. Maybe you could stick your hand or your foot in it. Just go outside and do it.
You put that there just for me, right?
Just dip it in. Dip
You
it
put
in
it
while
there.
I'm currently drinking it. Go ahead.
Yeah, right for me.
Yep, I'm just drinking that.
Oh, this is great.
Slam!
Oh, you son of a! That's right. I'll get back in.
Yeah.
That's my brother.
Do we have any small button cell batteries?
Small button cell batteries?
Yeah, small button cell batteries.
Like watch batteries? Is that what you're saying?
I mean, if they're the appropriate size.
I don't know what size.
Depends on the watch, I
Well, tell me what
suppose.
size. Are you talking about the little tiny circle batteries?
Yeah,
Is that what you're saying?
yeah, the button
Who
cells.
knows what they're called? Okay.
I'm not talking like a 2025 or a 2032. I mean,
I'm
something
just
small.
saying, I'm not sure which, I don't know. We have some circle.
Hey, you got any pipe cleaners?
Check the junk drawer.
I need a pipe cleaner bad. Like wicked bad.
You just need the button cell batteries. Where do you put the batteries?
Put them in the junk drawer!
Why do? It's not junk.
I know, but they're just miscellaneous.
There's a battery drawer. Why do you put them in the battery drawer?
I know, but they seem too small for the battery drawer.
I just need this laser pointer to work.
I need something with bells. You got anything that has a bell on it? I don't care what it is.
And the cat's in the cradle and the sails.
I was just listening to Harry Chapin album. I mean, he sounds a lot like Cat Stevens.
A lot of people
Whoa.
confuse Barry Chapin and Cat
Oh,
Stevens.
I thought you said Chapin. I'm like, who the hell's Harry Chapin?
No.
I swear that's what he said.
I heard Chapin.
This is the problem. We're listening to too much of this folk music. Now I don't even hear things correctly. I'm going deaf.
Hey, you guys, I have this John Cougar Mellencamp set. We could all.
A tea set. A John Cougar Mellencamp tea set.
I just figured,
That's like vintage for the second part of his career.
Yeah. There's the Jack and the Diane. So that's good.
Hey everybody, where should
Oh,
I
look,
put
the little
this,
pink house is the teeth kettle. That's so funny.
Where should I put this John Cougar TV set?
Oh, there's room up against that wall over there.
Yeah. Let's move our lazy boy. I got nothing.
Hey everybody, I got the John Cougar Mellencamp chess set.
Ooh.
Yeah. Really well with this
Put them
improv.
next to the tea set.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, guys, I forgot. I brought snacks for today's meeting. I brought Italian ice. The flavor's John Cougar melon. Yeah.
Does anyone want to go outside and go John Cougar melon camping with me?
Look, I'm getting in that bar.
We just threw you out of the bar.
I know.
We're outside of the bars to stop you from coming back into the bar.
I am Brazilian. I'm also not drunk enough. I will not make it to O'Malley's down the block. I'm coming in.
You're not coming in.
I'm getting closer.
Tony, I respect your work ethic. And I like that you don't give up. I do.
We can't let you in, man.
I'm gonna feel real bad breaking you if you try to get by me.
I'm closer. Have you not noticed? I'm winning.
I enjoy your
Well,
company.
now you're with arm's reach, so we can actually, like,
What? Do what? What are you gonna do to me?
we can mess you up if we want to. Look, we want to do this peaceably. Just don't come in.
Yeah. We will both completely kiss you.
Yeah.
A lot if you try to get by us.
Boys, is there some
I
trouble
will
up in
lick
this
you if I
tree
have
house
to.
right here? Excuse me.
We got out of control now! We got out of control!
I thought I heard unkind words.
More fermented apple juice!
Did I hear a please? I don't think I did.
Please, more
Please,
fermented
Mom.
apple juice!
That's more like it, my kind boys. Okay, thank you.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Tommy,
Yeah?
tell your mother her casserole was delicious, and I want the recipe, okay? Next time you come over, you bring me the recipe, okay?
I will. They said I should kiss the
God love you.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Mom!
Okay, or am I embarrassing my boys? Let me see what's going on up here. You got any nudie mags?
You can't come in.
Mom! You're so sweaty. You know, we need to get a fan in here.
When did we get
Excuse
nudie
me.
mags? What? We don't have anything in there.
No mags with nudies.
And no one's allowed. Not even Tommy.
They won't let me in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeffrey Jeremy, are you not sharing your nude magazines with the children of the neighborhood? What kind of mother would I be raising you? What did I say? What did we learn in church?
Share your pornography.
Hey, Jeffy J. Oh, hi, Mrs. Stevenson. Jeffy J. We're almost out of vodka. You think you could ask your mom to get us some more?
Oh my God, Brian! Oh, hello. Tell your mother her kolachki recipe was delicious. And next time you come over, you're gonna bring the recipe for me.
Mom!
I sure will.
Just give us more vodka.
We're playing bouncer, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, and some limes if you don't mind.
I'm gonna put in a Jello shot just to be easy for everybody. Okay, God love you. Tell me, take care. Okay.
I'm trying to make a well-stocked bar.
Oh, stop.
Let me in! I want some porn!
Tommy, did I not hear a please? We teach please in this household.
You smell real good. Like a radish.
I didn't think you'd be able to spot that. I figured like vegetable at most.
Yeah. Something about you and the smell of radish. The easily identifiable scent of a radish. Crisp spring morning. I know it's sudden.
Take your time.
I wrote you this poem.
Is it a long
long poem? Because there's gonna be trouble for your knees. Okay.
Dear Diane,
Most poems start with salutations, so yeah, come on.
Diane, you is to me's more important than the pain in my knees. It would be so totally cool if you would marry this love-struck fool. Diane, will you marry me?
Oh my God, of course I will. The little pendant in the shape of a radish.
Because we met at the Radish Festival. The most popular festival in whatever part of the country we're in.
You always make little jokes about how our love isn't thinly sliced. Oh my God.
For us, it's, yeah. I don't have another vegetable pun. Thank you.
So, let me see. Oh, I want one.
Get yourself a man.
Hey, I know you've been begging me for this because your friends have one, and all right, okay.
And?
My knees.
Go ahead, show it to me.
Look, your work is fantastic, and we would love to publish you, but here at Random House, I just gotta tell you, I don't think you have the knees for this. I love your work. Your anthology is it's fantastic. To Whom It May Concern, Dear Sir with Love, To the Guy I Met on the Elevator. They're all fantastic works, but I don't know. I don't know if you're physically spry enough to be a professional poet.
I feared this.
Well, what else do you do in your day-to-day life that you require knees for other than writing poems?
I propose.
What? The life of a poet is a single, solitary life.
Uh-oh.
You're gonna have to make a very hard decision. Do you want to be the world's greatest poet?
Yes, of course.
In this region, at least?
Yeah.
Wherever it may
is
be.
where-
Or do you want to be in love? All the greatest writers were lonely. Think about it.
So, what did he say?
We have to break up. I'm choosing my career over you. Because happiness isn't important for a poet.
That's beautiful. Is
Thanks.
that a haiku?
We zoom in on both of their heartbreaks.
They were matching hearts, both broken now.
His is broken in like a perfect zigzag, like lightning bolts down the middle.
And hers is just fucking shattered.
They most closely resemble conversation hearts.
The Valentines with the words on it.
Yeah.
You know,
One-
little candies with the words on them.
Yeah, they're tasty.
Oh yeah, okay, thank you.
One of the conversation hearts says, "Sawi."
The sound they make is.
They'll get better with time, guys.
They both smell like generic vegetables.
They're both red on the outside, but because they're broken, we can see that they're white on the inside.
They're like they dyed with beets red.
Get in there.
The way the hearts are lit up, it's casting a huge broken heart shadow.
Oh! Wow! Yeah!
The start the next scene.
Wouldn't have such a big smile on your face.
Oh, it's gone.
Got some bad news.
Okay.
Yeah, gotta be honest with you. Your work hasn't really been up to par.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
We talked about this at our last quarterly conversation, and your numbers haven't improved.
Nope.
You've lost clients.
Lots.
And
Like more than I can count.
you've yelled at most people in the face at this company.
That's true.
So, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry to say. But
Wait. What?
I'm sorry to say that you're going to be fired.
I'm gonna be fired.
Come again?
Sorry, I was joking.
Honey, I've got some bad news. Your lovemaking has not been up to snuff lately.
It has not. Like, ew.
You have left me high and dry on several occasions.
9.
You have yelled at my hoo-ha right in the face.
Why are you so unhappy? I can't help it.
So, I'm very sorry to say that I'm leaving.
Wait. Back up. You're what?
Well, mister, I was selling Girl Scout cookies and,
What? What are you saying?
Girl Scout cookies? You ordered Samoa's, Do-si-dos, something with an O in it.
So are you all ready for our hunting trip?
Yeah, that car came out of nowhere, and here you are. Sorry to say, but you're dead.
I'm what? You're what? To say I'm dead?
I'm sorry to say, but you're dead. This is heaven.
Nope, hell.
Oh, no.
Because in hell, they seem to be saying sorry.
Greetings. Welcome to hell.
Right! Cool! Yeah.
Oh, where do we go now?
I don't know.
Is he ready to be tortured yet?
Oh, he's ready for the whack.
Oh, I got the
What?
right way.
What? What are you all saying to me?
Let me at the new guy. Let me at him. Really, let me at him. I'll whip him.
Calm down, Mephistopheles.
Wait,
Oh, come on. Jesus, Wowie.
Actually, whip works with the whole. You're gonna rip
Let me at him.
You're gonna rip
Please let me at him.
No, I got this one first.
Okay, you start.
Come on, buddy.
I want to pull off at least one wig.
Wait, one what?
One wig!
Welcome to a new edition of 2018's Was That Offensive? With Brad and Melissa.
Hi, everybody.
That scene we just saw seemed to poke fun at, well, speech impediments.
Uh-huh.
It's 2018. Was that offensive?
For our first guest on the scene, we cut to Brian McCrabs. Brian, what do you have for us?
Well, I feel like that scene didn't start off offensive. Simply one word. It wasn't a full speech impediment.
Right, yeah.
And then,
What did you think of the performer who gave that one word in that first scene?
I think he's quite handsome.
Oh, we're going to the phone lines. Here we go. Hello, Nelson. You're on the air.
Hey, hi, yeah, I'm the guy who was in that scene, and I gotta say, I truly did not intend for it to get offensive. It's like, I looked at the most unusual thing was ring.
Oh, we have call waiting, I guess.
We do. Here we go. The boards are lighting up, everybody. Here we go.
I too was in that scene and I'm feeling guilty and defensive and want to explain why I did what I did.
So I was just doing what everyone else did.
Wing, 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 wing,
Oh, we've got another one. Here we go.
Wait,
Here.
is she saying wing-wing? Because if so, that's just continuing.
That's right. You thought you could sneak one past me. To whom it may concern. Hi.
I like where it's going.
Yeah, you think it has a good feel to it? It's kind of like, I don't care who gets it as long as somebody gets it.
Yeah, it shows like, it's a greeting, but not necessarily to you.
Nonchalance is so hot these days.
Very laissez-faire, very like, I'm not putting a gender on it because like, who knows who's gonna get my cover letter?
Oh my God, yeah. Could be someone who's non-binary.
Is anybody concerned about this letter?
No.
I'm just wondering who I deliver it to. Anybody?
Happy birthday. Happy graduation. Oh. Vague niceties for oneself. Oh, I deserve this.
Sorry for the bathroom.
Were you looking at my cover letter?
I'm just having a really hard time coming up with some stuff of my own. Here's a few things I'm looking to try out. Hey, guy.
Is Guy even in today?
It's pronounced Guy, okay? It's French.
It's spelled Guy.
Let me take a look at it. This isn't a Bed Bath & Beyond coupon,
Well, I
it's
don't
someone's cover letter.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, Guy. How are you? I am good.
Is my Bed Bath & Beyond coupons coming yet?
No, not yet, Tungy. We'll let you know.
No, this is. Hey, I think it's pronounced Hey Guy.
Hey, guy. Because that's not the name.
Well, Peter's Guy.
That's.
Watch yourself.
Welcome back to 2018. Was that offensive? I mean the French.
La ring.
We zoom in on the French phone.
Oh, the handle is a croissant.
There's a belay on the top of the phone.
It smells of ennui. There's a red button that calls the Eiffel Tower. It smells of baguette.
When you pick it up, it automatically lights a cigarette.
It's got Amelie and Ratatouille playing over and over and over again.
Instead of a traditional ring, it just goes, eh.
Oh, the gathering! Everybody came for once. Someone give a shit.
You think I would miss this? I would not miss this in my life.
I had to do my calendar.
3 months. Trois. Pardonnez-moi, my phone is just ringing.
Hey,
Allez?
sorry I'm late. I'm coming. I'll be upstairs in a minute.
Shall I buzz him in?
Please, bust me in.
No,
I
make it
can't
wait.
get in.
Fabien, what was that?
I do not know and I do not care.
It is probably Jacques that will buzz him in.
Jacques is always not fashionably late. Enough said.
Hello, Jack.
Oh.
Bonsoir, Jack.
Hello.
Bonsoir, mes amis.
Here's everybody's complimentary bottle of wine.
Thank you.
Bienvenue. Bienvenue, hein?
Merci,
C'est
merci.
super cool, hein? Yeah.
Merci beaucoup.
This is what I think of your wine.
Sacre bleu. You guys are faire de lit.
Never waste wine.
Well, you splashed the wine in my eyes, and my accent has changed. I am revealed. It's hard to go on from here. We nailed the hamburger phone. How do we top that.
What other things are phone-shaped?
I don't know if it's about being phone shaped. It's just more about being able to open somehow and be funny.
Like a cat?
Whoa.
That's too dark. That's too dark. You know what? Let's get the
you just kind of
whiteboard
really
out.
bypassed the first part of that, like needing to be opened up. You went right to cat.
Just get the whiteboard so I can giggle during that part of
Hey
the
guys, I got some fresh markers for you.
Oh, excellent.
That's good.
I'm already laughing.
Now, wait a second, fellas. I was just thinking, you know, I'm sorry to be listening in on your conversation from down the hall. You know I don't want to impinge on your privacy.
I was just
But
about
I
to
was
raise my
just here,
voice.
and I was just hearing a little bit of a debate about
Okay.
whether or not you can open a cat. And I will submit to you that we've already figured out how to open a duck and turn it into a phone.
Whoa, really?
We've already invented the duck phone. We opened up that duck and we turned it into a phone.
Here's the thing, though. If you look at a duck on water, it looks like it's got a flat bottom. Cats don't have a flat bottom.
Just saying, we turned that duck phone into it was like an insert. You could pull it up. Duck head, part of duck, rest of duck. Stick it in.
Hey, fellow apartment mates, I was just down the other end of the hall. Couldn't help but overhear the conversation.
Yeah.
Was y'all talking about the duck phone?
Yeah, just about to brainstorm on the whiteboard here.
Ooh, we might as well stop brainstorming because I believe they've already hit pay dirt. That duck phone is amazing.
Well, I don't know. I mean, the hamburger phone is pretty fine too.
I'll give it to you. It's a mighty fine phone, but that duck phone, waterproof?
Here's what I was thinking.
Hey, you guys, wait a second. I just got out of the shower and I was having some deep shower thoughts, and I was thinking that you could do like a seashell phone.
We're trying to have a serious meeting.
We're not trying to call the ocean.
Well, I'm sorry that I missed the last roommate meeting. God, I'm trying to put in one thing.
All right, I'm going to put that in the bad column.
Wow, really? You're really gonna write it down like that, all loud like that?
We got the column for a reason. We got to put things in there. You know what?
Isabel's got a point.
She does have a point. Why do we even
bad
have?
ideas?
Why do we have a bad column?
Erase the bad column.
Should I
Erase
just
the bad
should I
column.
erase it or should I just
Yeah,
cross it
for
out?
You know what? I say just leave it as a reminder of former mistakes that we
That's
have
not a
made
bad
and will
idea
not
either.
make
That's
again.
You
not
know
bad
what?
idea.
It's negative.
Hold on a second. Maybe I put bad column in the bad column.
Oh, that's not a bad idea.
Hey guys, I was making a coffee. You guys want any coffee? I was just gonna run down to Dunkin' and pick some stuff up for everybody. So
Well, now I would have.
Well,
a
see-
cup of Joe. Yeah.
Jack and I were talking about the shell phone earlier. Remember the shell phone?
Oh, you didn't say it with that name before.
Oh, well, that
Shelf
makes
that's
Oh, I
the-
suck. I was a
You
shell.
couldn't figure that out. That's why I miss every meeting because you guys suck. God, each and every one of you.
Okay, not all of us. Just.
I'm going to put down yelling at meetings in the bad column.
Okay,
it's okay to yell at a meeting. I mean, people are
that's
excited
what
about
meetings
things.
are for.
I mean, she yelled right in my face.
Are you gonna put freedom of speech in the bad column?
Okay.
No, we're gonna put over patriotism. Come on, man. Now I'm not on your side anymore.
What?
Really kind of.
Well, I like the shell phone stuff, but now you're just getting belligerent.
Yeah.
I'm just really uncomfortable that you're still walking around in a towel.
We talked about this at
Guys,
the
Brad,
meeting.
it's 2018.
I've been watching that. Listen, Brad, is this offensive? 2018? How?
Oh, shh. Don't do anything. Man. He is hot.
Really handsome.
Oh my God. You can ask me what's offensive any day.
Just watch it.
Melissa and Brad's Is This Offensive 2008.
Oh my God, I love the fairy shows. Good God. I'm so sick of you, millennials. Wah, everything's offensive.
Hello, welcome to Melissa and Brad's Is This Offensive 2008? 2008?
Yeah, Brad, you tell me what year it is.
This was far and away the best season. There were so many offensive things that year that they got to call out.
It's like he's singing to me. He's singing offenses to me.
Hey guys, I got the old box set. Millicent and Brad Is This Offensive 1998.
It's still in the box.
Yeah.
Dude, set it up in the John Cougar Mellencamp set.
Oh, shit, do you still have VCR?
Yeah.
Gotta rewind it.
I think it's time then.
Didn't pop up.
Pop.
Turn to channel 3.
All right.
No, not the digital 3, the regular 3, analog 3.
Okay, it's all fuzzy. It's all screwed up now.
Wow, nothing was offensive.
They look so young.
Brad has hair.
All right, stop showing off with those knees. Okay, you're gonna regret that one day.
These young men.